cold as fuck. Alright, I'm stuck in the snow. Lovely. Guys, I'm stuck in a snowstorm. This is epic. Look at this. Making a quick video for my YouTube channel. Oh my god. All this just to make a trip to 7-Eleven. I thought it was a little bit of snow. Oh. Dude, I'm like knee deep.
Oh.
And my buddy just tripped. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Alright. All this for 7-Eleven. You good? Oh. Hands are cold a bit. Good thing we have these. Should have brought some gloves. I thought it was just gonna be like a...
Oh, my God, right here.
Huh? Oh, look, the sidewalk. Okay, guys. Well, this is quite the adventure I'm going on just to get to 7-Eleven. If I don't make it to 7-Eleven, please bury me with a Diet Coke and some taquitos. Huh? Oh, dude, even if you walk on the sidewalk, it's still like 6 inches deep. I think this is the sidewalk anyways. Okay, guys, we're almost into the parking lot. Made it out of our house, neighborhood, whatever. Oh. Okay. Watch 7-Eleven be closed. How mad would we be?
Okay.
It looks like it might be open. I bet you Dunkin' Donuts is open. I mean, people still went to work, so... I wonder, okay, so in the event of the snowstorm like this, the people who went to work, where did y'all go? You know? Because, like, I tried to go to Walgreens. They were closed yesterday due to the weather. It looks like the gas station might be open.
What?
The gas station might be open.
Yeah.
There's some cars on the back road. This road is... Oh, shit. Alright. Our best bet is to make it over to that tree.
Why?
Because it's like 3 feet deep over there. Unless you want to go waist deep over there. Oh, shit. Alright, let's see if we can make it to the tree and then make it down. Oh. Oh, he just tackled it like it's nothing. Alright. I'm gonna see if I can make it down. Oh! Oh! Definitely a big drop off there. Oi, yeah, I was probably safer wearing my Docs.
Oh.
You alright?
Yeah.
Whew. Alright, I was safer wearing my Doc. Oh, a car got caught in the snow.
What?
There's a car that got caught in the snow.
Not moving.
No, look, over there. It got caught in the middle. Alright, pick it up this little hill. You know what? It would be fun to slide down this. If we had a sled or something. Just across the parking lot. Oh. My docks aren't getting ruined. Just covered in snow. Well, looks like, yeah, 7-Eleven might be open if that's coming. There was a snow plow that just came by. I'd much rather... Oh. Just realized the camera's not even pointed towards me. I'd much rather be in the Philippines right now. but this is actually kind of fun. You know, being knee high in snow on a work day, just trying to make it to 7-Eleven.
I wish we went last night.
Huh? Well, I went last night, but everything was closed. And I didn't want to go to 7-Eleven because the staff was there. Oh, man. Alright. Dude, they like moved the cars and blocked off. Alright, they blocked everything off. Fudge.
What?
Well, their stores are open, but they blocked everything off. So do we go around?
What do you want to get? Chocolate
Huh?
or soda?
I'm gonna get chocolate and soda. I'm gonna get some soda.
Do you want to be gas station?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some soda.
I go to gas bed.
Okay.
You know what? Edie walked back home too. Oh, come on.
Did you just fall?
Yes.
How?
Hold my phone.
Yeah. How'd you fall?
I hit that.
Oh. Honestly, I say if we want to get to 7-Eleven, we could just cut across right here.
I'll get him a dinner.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so we'll just cut across here. Go to 7-Eleven real quick, and we could take the long way back. It'll be much easier. Because that way, the whole goal is to get to 7-Eleven for views on YouTube, buddy.
Okay.
Yes. And I'm dragging along my friend, even though he wants to stop short and go to the gas station. We're just going on a short expedition. I think we'll be okay. Although, the snow is getting in my eyes. Should have worn some glasses. Ooh! This reminds me of when I was in military school as a kid. We used to take our boots and just... Whee! Oh, oops, it actually works. Okay. My bad.
Is the cupboard open?
Huh? Yeah,
So?
a little bit. Like 80% open. It's right here. It's not bad. And we should be able to make it straight to 7-Eleven and walk right back home. Alright, this has been quite the adventure for YouTube. Oh my god. Excuse me. They're like... Oh guys, hold on. Wait, I'm not the only one who did this trip. Dang. Their foot was the first. I thought we were the first. Dang. Someone else beat us to it. Good?
Yeah.
Alright. Yes, I dragged my buddy along for YouTube. Oh. Yes, my narrations are weird, I know. The goal is to get to 7-Eleven. Oh my god. It's like Harold and Kumar go to White Castle, but instead Tavi goes to 7-Eleven. For some chips and Coca-Cola.
Amen.
And meth. Really? You're gonna get me demonetized? Already? We just made one video of me just trying. Huh?
And tacos.
Tacos sound good, actually. I might get some of those tacos, though. I'm not gonna lie. Those crackhead tacos at 7-Eleven are pretty good.
In taco, the 7-Eleven tacos.
Yeah.
Wow. You think? Dead.
Well, this bank's always dead.
They're never all busy.
No, they're always empty.
I think it's cocaine and lying.
Okay, here we go. Should we enter here or should we enter up there? Your call. Just keep walking. Yeah, the parking, it'll be much easier. Nah.
They did not do the parking lot.
Huh? No, they didn't do the parking lot. They did the 7-Eleven parking lot, though. I see them. Alright, guys. We're like maybe a block and a half from 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven is within our sights. I can see the Apple Bank, but at night it turns into 8 Bank, which I think is really messed up because the lights go out and it spells Ape Bank, even though it's an Apple Bank. Also, we got some off-roaders over there. Oh. Holy cow, this has been quite the adventure. Although, I don't know how I feel about this. Oh, man. I think my next trip... Okay. We're less than half a block away. Lucas, we made it! We're less than half a block away. As long as the cars aren't dicks and try to hit us. Oh, good thing I'm on the sidewalk. Alright, guys. We're at the Apple Bank Center. Whatever. I guess it's called New Center, whatever. They cleared out the snow. It's quite the exercise. Looks like 7-Eleven's open. The lights are on. If not, I'm still gonna be just really sad. Let's do it. Everything's supposed to open back up at 6 p.m. Lights are on. Oh, I lost my buddy. Hold on. Let me get out of the street. You okay? What happened? Oh.
Yeah, okay then.
Shit. Let's go before the cops show up. Oh my god. Okay. I can't tell if somebody's in there. I think we made it. We made it, Lucas. Woo! And it's open. I told you it was worth it. Although, sorry,
Okay.
you fell like 3 times. They're open. You guys are open even in a blizzard? That's awesome. Okay. Okay. Alright, bye. Okay, guys, we left. Oh, wait. Wait. There we go. Okay, guys, we're leaving 7-Eleven. I got some snacks.
Woo!
Don't fall again.
Oh shit!
Okay. Now, how do you suppose we go back? Do we go out this way?
I do not know.
I think we should go out this way. And then onto the sidewalk and just take the long way back. It was safer. I think that's what we're gonna do. So, yeah, it looks like we're gonna take the long way home. But
I'm gonna sip again.
please don't. I got caramel cold brew. Oh man.
Here we go.
Okay. Anyways. I guess somebody's pissed he's stuck in the snow. Alright, at least we just have this short little bit. Okay, come on. Wow, it's pretty. Oh, okay. Watch your feet. I hit something. Okay. Oh, there we go. Careful. Alright, let's go back. Stay close to the sidewalk, I should say. We can't get up on the sidewalk because there's cars coming from behind us now. No, right up here, it shouldn't be that hard. Where the road starts. Oh, sorry guys. Filming this whole thing as we try to navigate our way back home. Trip to 7-Eleven in the middle of a blizzard. Well worth it. Alright. Alright, let's do it.
Sorry, watch out.
Yeah, let's just stick to the side of the road. Right. Yes. Sorry for the F-bomb in there. I'm stuck knee high in snow. Listening for cars. My ear out. I stuck my ear out so I could listen to cars better. Holy cow. Bus stop is completely doomed. Heck no. How am I going to get over there? Oh, traveling the blizzard for some snacks. Do you feel like it was worth it, Lucas?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Don't worry, I wasn't filming while we were in 7-Eleven. Out of politeness for the staff there, because I'm pretty sure those were the owners. Yeah. I'm almost positive those were the owners of the 7-Eleven, because normally they have the staff who work there, and that was definitely not the usual staff. Ooh. Huh? Oh, Oh, the wind? Yeah, I didn't calculate for that. Sorry. I thought it would be a short trip, you know? Not the long way home. But, I mean, we're almost there. The bowling alley is right there. I think once we get past the bowling alley, we should be pretty good. Maybe. Thanks for coming on this trip with me, Lucas.
No problem.
This is actually worth it. Really well worth it.
I didn't want you to drop dead in the middle of the snowstorm.
For me to drop dead in the middle of the snowstorm? Thank you. Yeah, guys, this is probably not the best idea, but these snowstorms, they keep happening more frequently, and they don't last that long. I mean, they last about a day. But you get like 8 inches of snow, and then 4 to 5 days of work, and then it's happened since I came back from the Philippines. I think I jinxed it, Lucas.
Yeah. Did not bring the Filipino weather back.
Yeah, I definitely did not bring the Filipino weather back to New York.
You had to be cold.
Wait, isn't there a day where the gopher's supposed to pop up?
Yeah.
That passed?
Yeah.
Well, I guess we have several more weeks of summer.
Yep.
Or, I mean, several more weeks of winter. I need the groundhog back. I need him to show his head and say, hey, we're not having winter.
No, we have a very nice spot out there.
Oh, Lord.
Then you know it's coming.
Oh, no. Nope. Nope. I need the beach back. I need my friends. Well, I mean, Lucas is my friend, but I need my other friends. See, yeah, the gas station is open. Lucas is right, to be fair. But this whole trip was to go to 7-Eleven, make it back, and take pictures of the snow. And make a video for my YouTube channel before anything. Why are these people speeding through snowstorms? There's something wrong with them. Just because you drive a lifted truck, I mean, yeah, sure, lifted trucks are cool and all, don't get me wrong. But you do not need to speed. Yeah. I mean, like most people, I think, who drive lifted trucks, they are definitely compensating for something. Like, I like lifted trucks, don't get me wrong. But when you feel the need to do 45... Huh?
Does that look good?
No, the sidewalk does not look good here. Dude, it's like 2.5 foot. I say we cut through this parking lot. We'll get... See, they're shoveling the parking lot? I think we'll be good. But yeah, if you feel the need, because you drive a lifted truck, to do 45 in the middle of a blizzard, when there's black ice, all this other stuff, and apparently Luke is slipping.
I hit one. Yeah, look.
That's not black ice, dude.
You can't see it.
Yeah, but that's not black ice. But yes. Oh! Wait! Whee! Yes! Oh my god, just like when I was a kid. Whee! Oh, I almost did the split.
One down inside the bus.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up falling on my ass. But yes, when I was a kid, there used to be spots on the ground and we used to just slide. And also, yes, I think oh, shenanigans! Watch out for the wind in your face type. Oh man, it's perfect. Alright, I guess we can cut through here. Our apartment's on the other side. Oh, I think I got some boogers. Sorry, guys. Wow. Look at all the snow. All right. I think we should be able to. Watch out for snow patches. Thank God. Excuse me. I'm not cut there. Thank you. Excuse me.
Sorry. Okay.
Alright. We almost made it. Alright, just as you can see, there might be some stairs here, Lucas, so be careful. Alright. Stick your foot there and look for the stairs.
Got it.
Okay. Alright, two more stairs. 1, 2. Good? Oh, nice. And then we could just, all we have to, holy, how does this happen?
What?
Is the roof leaking somewhere? How's the snow get up on the wall?
Oh, people do.
Holy God.
So people be doing this. Keep it open.
Oh, shenanigans. Okay. Come on. Oh. I'm not going to jump off the stairs. Oh, well, that was a bit of a jump. You good?
Yep.
Okay, now we just got to make it across here. And then these lines here, this building here, we should be pretty good. This was well worth it. Oh my God, look, it's like 3 feet deep. Yeah. Bro! Okay, we have to make it to the sidewalk. Alright, I think the sidewalk's right about here. You good?
Yeah.
Okay. Sidewalk's right about here, so. Oh. Hold on.
Okay.
Yeah? Oh yeah, this way. Good idea. Cut through here. You think it'll be good? Okay, we're gonna cut through. Who is it?
My girlfriend.
Oh, tell her we're going on. Oh. Be careful. Very slippery in the houses. Oh, we made it. Okay. Lucas? Do you see a bit of a problem? I think we have to cut into the parking lot. Just go straight.
What is this?
All the snow piled up. Dude, it's like 4 feet deep in some areas. Oops. Alright, we're gonna cut through the parking lot. And then we will have made it home. I think. Even watch out for the car. I don't want you to walk into it. Okay. So. Oh my God, guys. The snow is starting to come down really, really heavy. So I'm gonna start heading home. Ooh! I can ice skate home! Whee! Whee! Oh. Oh, that's fun. Yeah. Whee! Ice skating home. Okay. Alright.
How do we go?
I'm gonna follow this little valley. Yeah. Watch out for. Holy cow. Holy cow. Watch out for the staircase. Okay. We made it home. No deaths. Oh. Okay, guys. We are home, safe and sound.